students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, please take care. Drink more water. Why? Because you will get dehydrated if you don't drink water. So, my dear children, if you don't drink water means toxins will not go out. So, please drink more water. In the previous class, we have already discussed about forming greatest and smallest number, ascending order and descending order, even numbers and odd numbers. In today's class, we are going to discuss about addition of two-digit numbers or addition. I went to market. I purchased 16 mangoes. How many mangoes? 16 mangoes. And came to my home and she brought 10 mangoes for me. Already I bought 16 mangoes in the beginning. Already I bought 16 mangoes in the beginning. And my friend brought 10 mangoes for me. Totally, how many mangoes do I have now? Totally, how many mangoes do I have now? 16 mangoes is one collection, 10 mangoes is another collection. I have to keep all together and I have to count both the collections. See children, this is called addition. What? Addition. I am keeping all the mangoes together and I am counting. I am keeping all the mangoes together and I am counting. In the beginning, I have 16 mangoes. Later, my friend gave me 10 more mangoes. And I am keeping all the 16 and 10 mangoes together and then I am adding. 16 plus 10 is 26. 16 plus 10 is 26. This is called addition. 16 plus 10. 16 plus 10 is 26. How much? 26. Let us add. 16 plus 10. In the beginning, how many mangoes I bought? 16 mangoes. And my friend gave me 10 mangoes. What are the total mangoes I have? What are the total number of mangoes I have? 6 plus 0. 6 in my, this is ones place and this is tens place. Always we have to start the addition from ones place. 6 plus 0. Always 6. Why? Because if we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 in mind, take one finger. After 1, 2. Write 2 in the tens place. Now, what are the total number of mangoes I have now? 26 mangoes. I have totally 26 mangoes right now. Addition means putting things together. Addition means putting things together. The symbol of addition is plus. The symbol of addition is plus. The answer in addition is sum or total. The answer in addition is sum or total.
This song is about noisy, fuzzy, grumpy, silly echoes making a big mess. At first we add them up, and then we subtract them until we're left with no more echoes. Awesome! Are you ready to sing along? Let's go! One little echo sitting on a stool. Add another echo, now you have two. Two little echoes swinging in the tree. Add another echo, now you have three. Three little echoes spilling on the floor. Add another echo, now you have four. Four little echoes slipping on the slide. Add another echo, now you have five. Oh, what a mess they made. What a mess they made. Oh, what a mess they made. What a mess they made. Oh, what a mess they made. What a mess they made. Oh, what a mess they made. What a mess they made. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5.
24 plus 13. 24 plus 13. This is ones place and this is tens place. I'm adding these two numbers. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 in mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7. Write 7 in ones place. Now 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 2 in mind. Take 1 finger. After 2, 3. What is the answer here? 37. What is the answer here? 37. These two are called addends. What are these two numbers? Addends. And the answer is called sum or total. Answer in addition is called sum or total. Whenever if they ask about sum or total means what you have to do? You have to do addition. Addition of two digit and one digit number. Addition of two digit and one digit number. Let us see. Tens ones 35 plus 4. See children, this is a two digit number, whereas this is one digit number. This is a two digit number and this is one digit number. I want to add these two numbers. Children, one should be added to ones. Ones place should be added to ones place. And tens place should be added to tens place if tens place is available. Now, start the addition from ones place. 5 in mind, take 4 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 9 in ones place. Now, is there any number to add in the tens column? No. So write the same number in the tens column. What is the number here? 3. So write 3 in the total column. Understood, my dear children? In this way, we have to do two digit and one digit addition. These two numbers are called addends. The numbers added in the addition are called addends. And this is the answer is called sum or total. Addition of two digit number. Addition of two digit numbers. Ones should be added to ones. Ten should be added to tens. Always we have to start the addition from ones place. And here we have to place the symbol of addition. Here we have to place the symbol of addition. Add the ones column. 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2. 6 in mind, take 2 fingers. After 6, 7, 8. Write 8 in ones column. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 3 in mind, take 5 fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 8 in tens column. Children, the numbers added in the addition are called addends. The answer in addition is called sum or total. Answer in addition is called sum or total. In this way, you have to do addition of two digit numbers. Now, it's time for word problems. Children, in my class, there are 42 boys and 35 girls. 42 boys and 35 girls. What his question is means, how many students are there in the class? How many students are there in the class? First, write the information whatever you have. Number of boys is equal to 42. How many boys are there? 42 boys. Number of girls is equal to 35. How many students are there? How many students are there? Students means both boys and girls. Students means both boys and girls. So we have to add both boys and girls. What are the total number of students in the class? What are the total number of students in the class? Let us know. Total number of students is equal to. See children, here we have to keep the symbol of addition, that is plus. So write symbol of addition here. This is ones place. Which place? Ones place. And this is tens place. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 2 in mind. Take 5 fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 in ones place. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 in mind. Take 3 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 in tens place. What are the total number of students in the class? 77 students. Total number of students in the class are 77. Rohan was reading a book. Rohan was reading a book. He read 41 pages on Monday. He read 41 pages on Monday and 45 pages on Tuesday. 45 pages on Tuesday. How many pages did he read in both the days? How many pages did he read in both the days? Let us write the information whatever you have. Number of pages he read on Monday is equal to 41. Number of pages he read on Monday? 41. Number of pages he read on Tuesday is equal to 45. Number of pages he read on both the days. Both means first you have to count the number of pages he read on Monday, and next you have to count number of pages he read on Tuesday. Means you have to count all the pages which he read on Monday and Tuesday. You have to count all the pages which he read on Monday and Tuesday. Total means what we have to do? We have to add. Keep the symbol of addition here. Total pages he read on both the days is equal to. Total means addition. This is ones place and this is tens place. Start the addition from ones place. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 1 in mind. Take 5 fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 in ones place. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 4 in mind, take 4 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 8 in tens column. Number of pages he read on Monday, 41. Number of pages he read on Tuesday, 45. Total number of pages he read on both the days are 86. Children, let us have a recapitulation of what we have learned now. Addition means putting things together. Addition means putting things together or combining two or more collections. Combining two or more collections. The symbol of addition is plus. The symbol of addition is plus. And answer in addition is sum or total. Answer in addition is sum or total. The numbers added in addition are called addends. The numbers added in addition are called addends.
I am addition, and this is my mission. You're here to add some knowledge. You need to succeed and thrive. It's addition, and this is how it's spelled. This is the process of adding something to something else. I am an addition symbol, which you'll use to add. I'm kinda shaped like a cross, and that's pretty rad. You can add anything to another thing with me. Just take two objects, put me in the middle and see. But before we get started, there's someone you have to meet. It's my friend, the equal symbol. He's a math athlete. I am the equal symbol. You'll find me to the right of any math equation. I bring the final amount in sight. I work with any math symbol to get the answer you need. Let us show you how we help each other to succeed. I am addition, and this is my mission. You're here to add some knowledge. You need to succeed and thrive. It's addition, and this is how it's spelled. This is the process of adding something to something else. We'll start adding something simple to see what we can equal. This is one panther, but if you want to, you'll add one more as well. Then I take the panthers, which now equal 2. That's the number I produce now that this equation is through. Here are 2 babies, and when I add 2 more, I equal the total number of babies, which is 4. I am addition, and this is my mission. You're here to add some knowledge. You need to succeed and thrive. It's addition, and this is how it's spelled. This is the process of adding something to something else. And if you have 5 ice creams and you add 5 more, it will equal 10 ice creams. That's twice as many as before. And here I have 3 elephants, and when I add one other, I equal them together, which is 4, I assure. You can add anything you want to anything else. When you have an addition, an equal symbol to help. When you have the number 5 and you also want to add 2, the final number equals 7. This equation is through. And if you had a 3 and wanted to add 3 more, you would end up equaling the number 6 out the door. I am addition, and this is my mission. You're here to add some knowledge. You need to succeed and thrive. It's addition, and this is how it's spelled. This is the process of adding something to something else. I'm addition, and this is my mission. You're here to add some knowledge. You need to succeed and thrive. It's addition, and this is how it's spelled. This is the process of adding something to something else.
Of 2-digit numbers. Addition of 2-digit number. We have to start the addition from ones place. First, add the ones column, then add the tens column. Now, children, as you are not coming to school, you have to do both class task and home task at home only. As you are not coming to school, you have to do both class task and home task at home only. Today's class task is first module. You have already given learners module. From that, you have to write page number 12 in your CW. Page number 12 in your CW. Keep the heading numbers and write about number names, face value and place value in your CW. Now, it's time for home task.